Ooh, the bias. Bias is one of those things nobody thinks about it until it bites them. Kind of like stepping into a dungeon in a game and realizing the monsters scale with your stupidity. Good times. So here is the deal. When people talk about bias in AI, it sounds like this big spooky concept, like the machine woke up one day, watched a bad documentary, and decided to have opinions. But no, the machine is just a giant pattern sponge. It soaks up whatever you feed it. And if the data is a little crooked, the model grows up a little crooked too. You teach an AI to recognize faces, but the training set looks like someone only photographed their friends, their cousins, and maybe that one guy who always shows up uninvited to parties. Suddenly the AI thinks the entire world looks like your friend group, and everyone else gets misclassified. Not because the AI is evil, because the data was wearing blinders. And the wild part is we put the blinders there. Humans label the data. Humans choose what goes in and what stays out. Which means all our shortcuts, all our assumptions, all the stuff we don't even notice about ourselves sneaks into the model. Like smuggling bad habits into a robot that's way too eager to please. You ask the model a question and it answers with confidence. And you think, wow, look at it go. Meanwhile, the model is basically saying, I don't know, I don't actually know, but historically, when people ask this, the wrong answer showed up enough times that I'm rolling with it. Classic rookie move. I've done the same thing in school, honestly. Bias isn't always loud. Sometimes it's quiet. A tilt in the numbers, missing voice in the dataset, a pattern the model keeps repeating because nobody taught it anything else. But here's the part that matters. Once you see it, you can deal with it. You can check your data, add what's missing, question patterns, ask why the model keeps giving the same weird answer over and over again. You basically become the mentor who says, hey buddy, maybe don't assume everyone with glasses is a librarian. AI doesn't fix bias for us. It just reflects us, sometimes a little too clearly, and yeah, it's uncomfortable. But it's also the only way we get better at this. Catch the tilt, adjust, try again, repeat. Then you already get the point. Bias isn't the monster. Ignoring it is.